Hello, my name is Jonathan Danoon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to complete some tasks in WordPress. I'm going to start us off with something fairly simple, and then I'm going to move into some of the more complicated tasks later. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to reset your password. Right now, as you can see on screen, I'm at the login page. To reset your password, you're going to want to come down here to where it says lost your password, and you're going to then select that option. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to this page here. And once you're here, you're going to put in your email address, and then you're going to select Get New Password. You're then going to get an email that looks like this one on screen, and you're going to hit the Reset Password button. It's going to then take you to this page where you're going to put in a new password like Swordfish123, for example. The page will tell you how strong it thinks your password is, and if it thinks that it's strong enough, you can then hit the Reset Password button, and then you've successfully reset your password. Now, let's focus on images. Here, I'm going to demonstrate how to add an image, edit image metadata, and how to delete an image. Right now, I have my media library open. Now, I'm going to add an image that I have saved on my computer. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to access the File Explorer, and then I'm going to drag in the stock photo that I want to add. Once it's done loading, it's now in my media library. To edit the image's metadata, I'm going to make sure that the image I want is selected, which is shown by the border and the icon in the bottom. So once that's selected, I'm then going to hit the Edit button, which will bring up a pop-up window with the image, and then when I'm in here, I can edit its title, its caption, its alt text, and its description. Once I've edited or added anything that I want, I can then select Done. To delete an image is pretty simple in WordPress. I'm going to make sure that the image I want to delete is selected. I'm then going to select the garbage can icon next to the Edit button. And then it'll ask me if I want to delete the image, and I'm going to say Delete, and then it's gone. There's also another way that you can get rid of images, and that's if you go into the metadata editing pop-up, you can also select Delete here. Now I'm going to focus on how to add, edit, and delete top-level menu items. Let's start at the home page. From my home page, I'm going to go to the left navigation menu, and then I'm going to select Customize from the Design submenu. Once I'm here, I'm going to select Menus from the left navigator, and then I'm going to select Primary since that's what it's currently set to. Here, I can see all of my current menus, which are also over here on the right. First, I'm going to create a new menu item, which I'm going to do by selecting Add Items, and then where it says Add New Page, I'm going to put in New Menu, and then I'm going to select Add. This adds New Menu over here on the left navigator, but it also adds it over here on my right. Now I can edit my new menu item by selecting the drop-down arrow on the right here, and then I can edit whatever I want about this new menu item. Now I'm going to change it from New Menu to Best Menu, and then I'm going to close the drop-down. Just like before, you can see the changes over here on the right. To delete a menu item, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that same drop-down from before, and then at the bottom of it I'm going to select Remove, and then that will get rid of it from the left navigator and also the top-level menu over here. Now that we've added, edited, and removed a top-level menu item, we can select the X over at the top left, and then go back to our home page. Finally, let's talk about creating, editing, and deleting posts. Starting from the home page, click on Posts in the left side menu. Here, you'll be able to see any posts that have already been published and any drafts that have yet to be published. To create a new post, select Add New Post. You'll be brought to a new page where you can add the content of your new post. Let's title it New Post for now, and let's put in a simple short sentence. Once that's done, you can go up to the top right to publish the post, and it'll ask you if you're ready. We're going to say yes for now. And then once it's finished uploading, it says that it's live, and then we'll go back up to our top left corner to go back to our view posts. And you can see it here now at the bottom. To edit posts, select the 3 dots on the far right of whichever post you want to edit. This will bring us back to the page where we first created the post. Let's add another small sentence to our post. This has now been edited. Now we're going to go back up to the top right and we're going to select Update. And once that's finished loading, we're going to go back to our View Posts page. To delete a post, we're going to go back to the 3 icons, and then we're going to go to the bottom of that menu and we're going to select Trash. That doesn't fully get rid of our post because now we have a new tab up here that's our Trashed tab. Now to go here, we need to delete it permanently, and it will ask us if we want to delete this post permanently, and we're going to say OK, and now it's fully deleted. And that is everything. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're successful in using WordPress to create and manage your websites.